Imagine you are sitting in an interview, everything is going well. Suddenly, the interviewer smiles and asks, can ChatGPT replace QA engineers? Many candidates panic here. Some say yes, others say no, but both answers can cost you the job. In this video, I will show you the perfect interview answer that interviewers actually want to hear, along with real project examples, common mistake, and pro tips that can instantly make your answer stand out. Stay till the end because I will also reveal the one sentence that can impress almost every AI interviewer. Hello everyone, welcome to Swadeep Nagar QA AI Labs, where we help QA engineers become AI powered testers and build future ready careers. Let's start with one of the hottest AI QA interview questions. Can ChatGPT replace QA engineers? Perfect interview answer. The short answer is no, but it will significantly change how QA engineers work. ChatGPT can generate test cases, create automation scripts, explain defects, summarize logs, and even suggest edge cases. These capabilities make testers much more productive. However, ChatGPT cannot fully understand business goals, customer expectations, or make critical quality decisions on its own. It also requires human guidance to validate its output. So AI is a powerful assistant, not a complete replacement for QA engineers. Suppose you ask ChatGPT to generate test cases for a banking application's money transfer feature. It may generate many useful test cases quickly, but only an experienced QA engineer will think about scenarios like network failure during transfer, duplicate transaction request, regulatory compliance, business specific validation rules. This require human understanding and domain knowledge. Question 2. Will AI replace software testers in the future? Perfect interview answer. I believe AI will automate repetitive testing activities, but it will not eliminate the need for QA engineer. Instead, the role of QA engineer will evolve. Rather than spending hours writing repetitive test cases or maintaining scripts, tester will focus more on test strategy, AI validation, exploratory testing, risk analysis, security testing, product quality, prompt engineering, AI model evaluation. The future belongs to QA engineers who know how to work with AI. Question 3. Human tester versus AI, which is better? Perfect interview answer. They complement each other rather than compete. AI is excellent at speed, repetitive task, test generation, log analysis, automation support. Humans are better at critical thinking, business understanding, creativity, user experience evaluation, ethical decision making, exploratory testing. The best testing approach combines both AI and human expertise. AI can generate hundreds of test cases within seconds, but a human tester can identify unexpected user behavior or business risks that AI might overlook. Question 4. What are the limitations of ChatGPT in software testing? Perfect interview answer. Although ChatGPT is a powerful, it has several limitations. It may generate incorrect information known as hallucination. It does not truly understand business context unless it's provided. It cannot independently verify whether generated test cases are correct. It does not have direct access to live application behavior. It may produce outdated or incomplete responses depending on available context. Question 5. If ChatGPT is so powerful, why do companies still hire QA engineers? Perfect interview answer. Because software quality is much more than generating test cases, companies need QA engineer to understand business requirements, design testing strategies, validate AI generated outputs, identify hidden risks, perform exploratory testing, collaborate with developers and product owners, ensure compliance and security. AI accelerates testing, but accountability for product quality still belongs to skilled QA engineers. In my opinion, AI is becoming an intelligent testing assistant while QA engineer remains responsible for the quality of the software. Common interview mistakes. Many candidates lose marks because they say things like AI will replace everyone, ChatGPT knows everything, manual testing is completely finished, automation engineers are no longer needed. Golden interview answer. If the interviewer asks, can ChatGPT replace QA engineers? Here's a concise, high-impact answer. ChatGPT will not replace QA engineers, but it will transform the way we work. It automates repetitive tasks such as generating test cases, writing automation scripts, and analyzing defects. However, human expertise is still essential for business validations, exploratory testing, risk assessment, ethical evaluation, and final quality decisions. I believe the future belongs to QA engineer who effectively combine AI capabilities with strong testing knowledge. If this question appears in your interview, there's a very high chance the next question will be about LLM testing or prompt engineering. And that's exactly what we will cover in the next episode of this AIQA interview masterclass. So don't miss it. If the video helped you, please click on the like button, subscribe or follow my channel. Share your thoughts in the comments. I will reply to as many as I can. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next AIQA interview masterclass. Thank you.